Welcome to our latest video on Amazon PPC advertising. In this video, you will be discuss the different type of PPC ad and that you can run your products on Amazon. PPC or pay-per-click advertising is a great way to increasing sales on Amazon. Hi, I am Iti from Gliztech. There are different type of PPC ads that you can run for your products on Amazon. That's are sponsor products, sponsor brand, sponsor display, sponsor product for brand, Amazon DSP. Choosing the right type of Amazon PPC ad for your product will depend on your business goals and your target audience. By understand the different options, can you create a PPC campaign that drive most conversation for your business on Amazon? If you found this video valuable, please like, comment and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any question or feedback, drop comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you at the next one.